In figure, angle B is greater than angle A. So this is 1 dot, this is 2 dot for me. So this is supposed to be C, I guess. Okay, and angle C is greater than D. So this is 2 dot and 1 dot. No. Angle D is greater than angle C. Yeah. And here angle A is greater than. Okay. Show that AD, this entire length, is greater than BC, this entire length. So again, I would like you guys to pause, think over what is given, what is that we need to do. So what is that we have been given? We have been given that angle B is greater than lesser than angle A, and angle C is lesser than angle D, and we have AD, that is to be proved. AD is lesser than BC. Proof. So how will we prove this? We are looking at AD, which is part of two triangles. So what we can do is we can rewrite this. How AD can be written as AO plus OD, which should be lesser than, yes, BO plus OC. This is your clue. Think about it. This is your clue. Next clue is try to relate AO and BO, and next try to relate OD and OC. Okay, so that's it. If you're able to do that, that's good. If not, let me show you how to do this. In triangle AOB, ABO, angle B is lesser than angle A. So we have angle B which is less than angle A, that is side AO is lesser than the side OB. This we can call it as equation 1. And the reason is, if two angles of a triangle are unequal, then side opposite to larger angle will be longest. So with this fact we are able to conclude this. Now we'll go to triangle TOC. Here we have, I just want to rewrite this. It doesn't look good. Okay, so we have OA which is lesser than OB. So we have angle C which is lesser than angle D. So side opposite to angle C is OD, which is lesser than OC. Can you see this? This is what we wanted, right? Now what to do? We can add. If you learned, okay, you not learned that. So what you can do is you can add the LHS with the LHS. There's a lesser than sign, that's good. RHS and RHS. So basically we have the same sign over here. So we can add the LHS and the RHS. So this is a new thing that you'll be looking at. Adding equation 1 and 2, that is we will add LHS and the RHS, respective LHS and RHS. So remember, the lesser than sign is like this. So on the lesser than side we have OA, and in equation 2 we have OD, and on the RHS we have OB and OC. So we can do this. Okay. So what is OA plus OD? This is AD, which is lesser than BC, and we have proved it. Hence proved. Right. So this is your proof. So a small note regarding this situation, we're adding things like this. See, 10 is less than say 20, which is true. Then 12 is less than 20 again. Or let me take some other value, 14. So if I had 10 plus 20, it will be less than 20 plus 14. Right? Okay. So remember, this less than sign or greater than sign has to be proper. I'll explain that with a different example. So same thing, same setup. Say 10 is greater than 20, less than 20. 4 is greater than 3. Now I can't add this. 14, is it less than or greater than? What symbol should I use? Right? Say this is number, so we can tell, okay, this is less than 23. What if these are variables? So whenever you get such a scenario, we need to convert 3 is less than 4 and then add things which is on the left hand side and or on the right hand side and on the right hand side. So what I'm trying to tell is the lesser than sign has to be same in both the equation, only then you can add. So you can add equation 1 and 2. Or you can have it the other way around, make it greater than symbol. That is also right. 20 is greater than 10, 3 is greater than 2. So we can add 23 is greater than 12. So we can add this way, that is okay. Okay. So the symbols have to be same. That's what I mean. Right? The takeaway over here is, conclusion is, the symbol has to be same in both equations. Only then we can add. Okay. So this is what I'm trying to teach you guys. Right. So here I can add now 10 plus 3, which is less than 20 plus 4. Okay. So by adding equation 1 and 2. So this is your answer. And this is a small note which you guys have to know. Right, we are rewriting this, we'll get this, and over here let me call this as a and b. Equation a plus b will give me this.